Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to delete your Plants vs Zombies 2 account permanently. If you want to permanently get rid of your Plants vs Zombie 2 account, then follow along till the end. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet and launch open the Plants vs Zombies 2 application. Once you're inside the game, tap on the gear button at the bottom right. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, scroll all the way down and tap on Your Data Choices. Under Your Data Choices, you will see Delete My Account button. Tap on that. Now, after you do that, you'll be asked to confirm deletion once again. You'll need to tap on Delete one more time, but before proceeding, let me clear you out that after tapping on Delete, you will initiate permanent deletion for your Plants vs Zombies 2 account, including all profiles and game progress across all platforms. To continue deleting, tap on Delete and click on Delete one more time and wait for a few seconds. And now, your Plants vs Zombies 2 account's profile and game progress have been deleted. You can now uninstall the application, and there you have it. If you found the video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more trusted gaming guides. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.